There are two questions regarding no claim bonus raised by the industry and which has been clarified by CBIC, Central Board for Indirect Taxes and Customs. Those two questions relating to no claim bonus. What is the GST treatment for no claim bonus? So before going to these two questions, have a brief understanding of what is no claim bonus. In insurance, there is some concept called as moral hazard. What is meant by moral hazard? Okay, have a look at the meaning given in the Google for moral hazard. Moral hazard is a situation where someone takes risk because they believe that someone else will cover the cost. Okay, this is a negligent behavior of the policy holders, also known as insured. Insured or policy holders. This is a negligent behavior. Just because they have an insurance claim, a policy, their behavior is negligent because if some loss occurred to them, anyway, insurance company will be there to compensate. That is that negligent behavior among the policy holders is called moral hazard. This is one of the major problems faced by the insurance companies. People are negligent because even if I incur some loss, insurance company will compensate. In order to protect the insurance company from this problem, they introduced some concept called as no claim bonus. It is a matter of encouraging the prompt or diligent behavior of the policy holders. Okay, right. So what is no claim? Whether the no claim bonus can be considered as a consideration for the supply provided by the insured to the insurance company for refraining from the act of lodging insurance claim. Okay, so who paid the no claim bonus to whom and why? Who paid the no claim bonus to whom? Insurance company. Insurance company paid no claim bonus to the policy holder or the insured. So why they paid the no claim bonus? Insurance company paid no claim bonus to the policy holder. Why? Why they paid that? Refraining from the act of lodging insurance claim. Okay, to encourage the fact of not raising any claim. Policyholder planned his activities diligently without any negligence. He has not suffered any loss. Therefore, he did not made any claim. In order to encourage the diligent behavior of the policyholder, insurance company has paid something called as no claim bonus. So this no claim bonus is paid by the insurance company to the policyholder because policyholder has not submitted any claim during the previous period. Okay. Now this question whether this insurance company can be considered as a supplier or recipient of service. Okay, as recipient of service and the policy holder as a supplier of service. Normally what happens is that if there are two persons A and B, if there are two persons A and B, A is paying money to B, A is paying money to B. We should ask the question, why A is paying money to B? Because B has an obligation towards A. B has an obligation towards A and B fulfilled that obligation. And B fulfilled that obligation. Therefore, A is paying money. If the reason for payment of money, if the reason for payment of money is fulfillment of obligation, this money is called consideration. That money can be called as consideration if the reason for payment is fulfillment of obligation. Okay, if A paid money to B, if A paid money to B, B does not have an obligation, B does not have any obligation to A, then it is a mere flow of money. It is a mere flow of money. It cannot be called as a consideration. Okay, if A pays money to B, okay, and B has an obligation towards A, B fulfilled that obligation, A paid money, then it is a consideration. If B does not have any obligation, in spite of that A paid money, then it is a mere flow of money. It cannot be called as a consideration. Now the question is here, who is paying money to whom? Who is paying no claim bonus to whom? It is the insurance company. Insurance company is paying bonus, is paying no claim bonus to the policy holder or insured or policy holder. Insurance company is paying bonus to the insured or policy holder. Now whether this policy holder has an obligation of not filing a claim, Whether is it the obligation of the policyholder for not filing a claim? Absolutely no. In fact, it is a right of the policyholder to file a claim. It is not the obligation of the policyholder not to file a claim. Therefore, not filing a claim is happened like that, is just happened. It is not an obligation. It is not an obligation of the policyholder. It is happened like that. Okay. Therefore, it cannot be called as a consideration. So understand the difference between consideration and flow of money. Recipient of money has an obligation. He fulfilled that obligation. Payer paid money. Then in that case, money flown from payer to receiver is a consideration chargeable to GST. Flow of money, just flow of money. Recipient does not have an obligation. Payer paid money. Money flown from payer to receiver cannot be a consideration chargeable to GST. This is what the no claim bonus. Whether the policy holder or recipient of money has any obligation for not filing a claim, the answer is no. In fact, insured person has a right to file a claim. Insured person, it is the right of the policy holder to file a claim. It is not the obligation of the policy holder not to file a claim. It is a right of the policy holder. It is a right of the insured to file a claim. It is not the obligation of insured to file a claim. This is very important point. It is the right of the insured to file a claim. It is not the obligation of the insured not to file a claim. Therefore, B does not have an obligation. That is, policy holder does not have an obligation that he should not file a claim. Okay, if as a policy holder, if has an obligation not to file a claim, then why any fool will purchase an insurance policy? The very purpose of purchasing a policy is to file a claim, to reserve a right to file a claim. By purchasing a policy, I am reserving a right to file a claim. Okay, so therefore I have a right to file a claim. As a policy holder, I have a right to file a claim. It is not my obligation not to file a claim. Therefore, not filing a claim is not an obligation of the policy holder. Accordingly, it is a mere flow of money. It cannot be a consideration. Okay, so insured person has a right to file a claim if he has suffered some loss. If the insured person planned his activities diligently and did not suffer any loss, he will not make any claim. To appreciate his prompt behavior, insurance companies paying some bonus. Such bonus is mere flow of money. It is not a consideration. This is very important. Therefore, in GST is not payable on no claim bonus. On no claim bonus, GST is not payable. That is the first question. Second question is whether no claim bonus can be deducted from the gross premium as a discount. The answer is yes. There are two conditions specified in section 15 subsection 3. No claim bonus fulfilled those two conditions. What are those two conditions? Condition number 1. Okay, that the fact of discount should be mentioned in the agreement. The fact of discount should be mentioned in the agreement. Have a look at the insurance policy on my car. Okay, so this is my car insurance policy. So in that one condition is no claim bonus. So in the policy document, they are giving the condition no claim bonus. The insured is entitled for a no claim bonus if no claim is made. Therefore, it is clearly mentioned in the agreement between the policy holder and the insurance company. Therefore, first condition is satisfied. Okay, availability of no claim bonus is mentioned in the terms of policy, and no claim bonus is specifically mentioned in the invoice. So if I fulfill this condition, in the next time when I purchase a policy, they will give some discount. The name given to that discount is called no claim bonus. Okay, so no claim bonus is a nomenclature given for something called as discount. Okay, so no claim bonus is nothing but discount only. No claim bonus is nothing but discount only. It is clearly mentioned in the terms of the policy, and it is also clearly mentioned in the invoice. These are the two conditions specified in section 15 subsection 3. It should be mentioned in the agreement and it should be mentioned in the invoice. No claim bonus fulfills these two conditions. Accordingly, it can be deducted as a discount from the gross premium. It can be deducted as a discount from the gross premium. Look at this. This is my gross premium. 9,384 is a gross premium. From that, this is deducted. Deductibles is no claim bonus. So no claim bonus is also deducted. On the net amount only, I have to pay GST. I have to pay GST on the net premium. net premium. No claim bonus is treated as a discount. No claim bonus is treated as a discount that has to be deducted. That has to be deducted from the gross premium. Okay, so these are the two clarifications given by the CBIC, Central Board for Indirect Taxes and Customs. First thing is no GST is payable on no claim bonus. In addition to that, whatever the GST payable on other gross premium, from that no claim bonus is deducted. Okay, two advantages. There is no GST at all on no claim bonus. In addition to that, whatever is the gross premium is there, from that you can deduct the no claim bonus. Okay, so accordingly, you need not pay any GST on the no claim bonus. If at all your insurance company did not deduct the no claim bonus, sometimes some insurance companies, what they will do is that they will do like this. In few cases, I observed. In few cases, what I observed is that they will take gross premium. They will take gross premium and they will add GST to that. And they will add GST to that. Say gross premium is, say for example 1000. Gross premium is say 1000. Add GST to that. They will add 180 rupees GST. Okay, total will be 1180. So from there, less no claim bonus 200. Less no claim bonus 200, 980 to be payable. Okay, 980 payable. This is a wrong calculation. 980 net payable. This is a wrong calculation. We should not do like that. Because if you do like that, you are paying GST 18% on entire 1000 rupees. On entire 1000 rupees, we are paying 18% GST. No, the correct calculation is that it should be 800 only. It should be 800 only. GST has to be payable only on that 800. GST has to be payable only on that 800. So 144 will come. 36 if you deduct, 144 will come. Okay, only 800 rupees, 1000 minus 200, only 800 rupees. Therefore, your net payable will be 944, not 980. Okay, so what is the correct figure and what is the wrong figure? I am giving the correct figure. So 800 is the correct figure. 1000 minus 200, 800 is the correct figure. On that, 144 is the gross GST and net premium is 944. This is the correct figure, sir. When someone charges GST on entire 1000 rupees and they are collecting 1180, from that if they deduct no claim bonus 200, net payable is 980. That is wrong calculation. You are losing money here. Okay, so therefore no claim bonus, not only that the no GST on no claim bonus, on top of that no claim bonus has to be deducted from the gross insurance premium. Okay, thank you.